You have got the views. Now it is time to turn those views into subscribers. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you 5 easy growth hacks in order to turn your viewers into subscribers. So here is why people don't subscribe to you even though they like your video. First thing is the fact that you don't invite people to subscribe. I know, but you are not too big to ask people to subscribe. In fact, a lot of people do not know what to do after watching a video. But if you verbally state what you want them to do, if they enjoyed your video, if they got value from your videos, they are going to hit that subscribe button. And also, if your content is great but they don't feel connected to you, they are never going to hit that subscribe button. So here are 5 proven growth hacks that is going to help you get subscriber fast. The first one is to ask them to subscribe. Like I already said, just ask. And when I say ask, I don't mean to just say, please subscribe to my channel. You need to make it specific and intentional. So if I want you to subscribe to my channel in this video, I'll be like, if you are looking for videos that help you get monetized fast on YouTube, do well to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be creating more videos on this topic. You see how I was specific and intentional? That is exactly how you're going to do it. I'm not just going to say, please subscribe to my channel. Yes, you need to call out the value that they are going to be getting by subscribing to your channel. The second hack is to use the binge method. I particularly use this one on my vlog channel. I have a series called Living Alone in My 20s. And when this series shows up on my channel, when people see this series, they already associated with it me because I'm the only one using the Living Alone in my 20s, particularly as a keyword on my videos. If you go and check most of my vlogs now, it is living alone in my 20s. So when you see living alone in my 20s, you already know that this is Aderunke's vlog. And we already see 1, 2, 3. You want to binge watch those videos because you're like, oh, what did she post last week? What did she post today? I want to watch another living alone, living alone, living alone, living alone. So you need to create videos that are closely related, that are linked together, and also part of a journey, which is why I always recommend starting a series on YouTube, like I already started. And also, another thing to do is also to mention your other videos in your YouTube. You can say, oh, if you want more videos like this, I already created this video, go and watch it. Or watch this video first before you come back to watch this video. And also don't forget to link your videos in them cards, in the head screens, in the description. It really, really helps because they enjoyed your content. They want to go through your page, go through your channel and be like, oh, that is when your playlist comes in. That is where your card comes in. That's when your description comes in. That is where the link in the comment section comes in. Third hack that on YouTube, I already like touch point on this is starting a series, which is why I said I started a living alone in my 20s series. I haven't yet incorporated this in my talking channel. I should really do that after this video. So you need to start a series that people are willing to look forward to or they want to come back to binge watch. Or you can make it a weekly format, maybe like a monetization Monday. Like on my Instagram now, I post finance content every Thursdays and I term them money savvy girlies and it is always on Thursdays. So people know that every Thursdays they look forward to a finance content on my page. So this will really help build anticipation and routine in your videos. The number 4 hack is personal connection equals to more subscribers. Yes, this is where I talked about relatability. People need to feel connected to you in order to subscribe. Somebody will just like, my God, I find this really, really relatable, and they will hit the subscribe button. In fact, they will look forward to more of your videos just because they find you relatable. And this is how you're going to do it. You need to share personal stories. You need to be relatable. You need to let people know that you're figuring it out so that you're not an expert in any way. I'm letting you know, you guys. I'm basically teaching you from my own experiences. Not that I one day woke up and decided that, oh my God, I'm a YouTube guru now. I figured this out for good 3 years on YouTube and I'm teaching you. So you really find me relatable if you are struggling on YouTube because I've been there, done that. That is my own personal story to tell. And you need to start using the we language. We're in this together. I'm also doing this. This was me when I was. These are ways to make personal connections on YouTube. You can also use optional CTAs like unsubscribe so that we can grow together. do this so we can do this together thing. And the final hack on how to get subscribers fast on YouTube is channel branding. Yes, this is really important and a lot of people do not take note. You need to have a clear channel banner. When people look at your channel banner, they need to be able to the kind of content that you post. Is it vlogs? If you look at my channel banner or my talking video, I said personal finance, YouTube growth, and how to make money online. So that is what people look forward to on my channel now. And also, if you go to my vlog channel, it's basically stated that vlogs and lifestyle, and that is the only thing that you're going to find on this channel. So people don't go to my vlog channel and be expecting me to have a talking head video when I'm talking about where I'm talking about finance. My banner helps them understand my channel better. Also, you need to have an organized playlist. I cannot emphasize this enough. You need to have an organized playlist. People need to go to your playlist. This is the type of content I want to binge watch today. If you go to my vlog channel, you see I basically have a playlist that is called Introvert Theories. So if what you want to watch is totally silent vlogs, if you bring watch playlist, in all of this is going to be silent vlog. If you watch my apartment hunting playlist, basically all the videos that you're going to find there is going to be me house hunting. Or if you go to my grocery shopping playlist, basically it's going to be me grocery shopping. Videos that you're going to find there are going to be videos of me grocery shopping. So even if your videos are not perfect here, personal branding really helps. And also, people post on YouTube and you become celebrity all of a sudden. Because why are you not responding to your comments? Immediately somebody drops, even if it's a hard comment, ask them back. If they said I them back, you need to respond to every comment. You need people to know that you're not quote unquote a snob, you're actually quite friendly. So you respond to every comment. Now you have got the tools to grow and build a loyal subscriber base on YouTube. In the next module, we are going to talk about the real magic, which is monetization. I will show you how to set up your channel in order to earn money ASAP.